Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming your HP model and Windows version so you know which controls apply. Once done, plug in the power adapter to prevent power-saving limits from interfering. Now locate the brightness keys on the keyboard, often FN plus F3/F4 or dedicated sun icons. Press them briefly to change levels. If keys do nothing, make sure the function lock is off. These steps get you immediate manual control and reveal whether we need to adjust software next. Next, open Settings, go to System then Display, and move the brightness slider for a precise change. This explains how Windows controls the panel. Make sure Windows Update and HP Support Assistant are run to fetch display driver updates that restore brightness control. If the slider is missing, open Device Manager and update or reinstall entries under Display Adapters and Monitors. Drivers often fix missing keys or sliders. While you perform updates, restart the laptop to let system services, reinitialize, and apply brightness control. To finish, check power options for adaptive brightness and disable it if brightness keeps changing, because sensors can override your settings. Next, open the Intel or NVIDIA control panel to fine-tune display gamma and brightness for consistent results. If changes still fail, reinstall the graphics driver or reset BIOS defaults. These steps often restore hardware control. As a quick troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to test brightness control. If it works there, a third-party app or driver is blocking normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.